I'll be showing you step by step how to create a Mailchimp pop-up to start collecting email subscribers. So I'm going to assume you already have a Mailchimp account set up. If you don't, I did a full tutorial on my channel as well that provides a full breakdown on syncing this with your Shopify store, which includes installing the Mailchimp app. So let's go and set up this pop-up here. So on the left-hand side, if I go to Forms, we can see the pop-up Forms section. Also, if you're enjoying any of this video along the way, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below, as I'm really trying to grow the channel, and that would help a lot. So from there, we get some overall analytics on the overall pop-up performance. Now, I don't have a pop-up already, so let's go and create a pop-up in the top right there. So next up, it's going to ask us what we want to offer. This is usually some type of incentive to get the user to give us their email so we can contact them later. I'll just go with the standard discount here, so get 10% or 5% off, and I'll click continue. So what's great is there are some pre-built templates here. I'm just going to select this athletic headline one. So we get an internal site name, so this is going to be viewed in our dashboard, and the audience is going to be my Shopify store, and I want to collect email addresses. So I'll click create form. This brings us to the editor here. So I can see the multiple steps for the offer, then the email capture where the input is displayed there, and then the confirmation where they get a discount code. If this step is closed, it's going to show up in the bottom left. Now to note, it's a demo store, so it's just going to show the password screen there and not my actual store. Now, if we want to go and edit any of these actual pop-up sections, you can zoom in here, and to actually edit it, we can click on it, and then we get the editor in the right here for the styling and the color, rotation, and so on. So if I double click in here, I could actually change this to maybe 10% off. I'd probably want to go and change that in each of the sections. So let's change my discount to 10% off. I could actually write a discount code that I created in my store. It could be shop 10. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. And that's where a sponsored profit calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time profit calculations so you can truly understand your store's performance. It includes a ton of different details, analytics, and metrics, and it syncs seamlessly with all your ad accounts, as well as many other cost of goods sold providers. It has different reports you can look into, and it all comes with a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. There's a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing directly. You could also head to the Shopify app store and search for Profit Calc, and then look for this logo in the top left here. Again, there's a link in the description below. So in terms of customization, I do kind of like how this looks here, as I did choose this as the template. But in order to make any customizations, it's really just clicking into each element. We can see the overlays here and the editing on the right. Now it is much more graphically intense than creating the email design, but it does give you quite a bit of customization. I'm going to click save and review, as I'm happy with that design there. I don't want to get too much into the weeds into that in the video, as it's just going to depend on how you want it to look. Next up, we can set some overall settings, such as where it should show. So by default, it's going to be all pages of my store. You can click on edit settings and add or exclude certain pages. We can also say who's going to see it. So I could show this to just all visitors. Maybe I want to show it to just people who have placed an order. I can set those here. I can also layer on different conditions as well. Next up, it's going to be when it should show. So if we click on edit triggers, we could say total time on site, inactivity, quick scroll or flick up, or the exit intent. So if they're planning to leave our store, we can also add multiple triggers to show this on here. I'm just going to leave this as the default of 2 seconds. Next up, what should it look like? There are some issues it looks like here that I didn't resolve. So if I go back to edit, it's actually in the follow-up setting. Don't have a code here. I'm just going to use the default static coupon. I'll hit save and review, and that looks to have cleaned up my error there. So I'll click publish and schedule. I'll just publish this now. So I can see it's currently live now on my store. Next up, let's go and actually make sure the app embed is enabled. So I'll head to my Shopify dashboard, click on online store, click customize, go to the app embed section on the left here, and I'll click toggle on. Let's go and actually view my store now. Let's go and wait the 10 seconds, and there it is. There's my pop-up. If I click claim, I can enter in my email address. So overall, that's how we set up our pop-up banner in Mailchimp. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.